if you have an ebook that links to your product and you want to use it to get opt-ins for your product launch, that is exactly how you can do it. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. This is the video I'm going to be talking about a funnel I made for an ebook for my product ready for the product launch. So in the last video, if you didn't already watch that one, basically I was talking about how my production's doing and an update on that, when things are going to be shipped to Amazon, and also how I was building up my social media. So I want to go through a funnel I made for an ebook that I'm exclusively using to take people that go to my website, people that go on my socials, into buyers of my product. It starts off with social media. So this is, for me, a Facebook page and an Instagram account. So these will go onto my website. And basically, the website at the moment, all it is, because I don't have a product, I don't have product photography, all that is advertising people to click and learn more about my ebook. So at the moment, it's literally just a picture of the ebook and a learn more button. And that goes into the landing page for the ebook. So landing page, I might have to rub all this out. There's quite a lot of sections for it. The landing page, and this is literally like, you know, the images, the copy, headlines, questions to get people to learn about the book and want to opt in. And when they want to opt in, they'll click a button, you know, so download, that takes them to a MailChimp opt-in. And from here, they'll be able to type in their name, their email, and then click download. Literally, okay, so far, if you're following along, that's great. I did it the complicated way. I would suggest using ClickFunnels, and Johnny Bradley has a whole section in his course about how to use sales funnels with your Amazon product. So because I don't really want to pay out for ClickFunnels at the moment, I'm having to do it through Squarespace, MailChimp, email, and it's just so confusing. Anyway, this is what I did nonetheless. So then they go to the MailChimp opt-in. That takes them to a page on my website with the download link. So literally it's a button that says download. They click on it and the PDF pops up. So they don't have to like go to Dropbox and actually download it. It's embedded onto my site. So they click on it and they get it. Underneath the download button, there's like a separator line, and I've put exclusive offer. So this is where the upsell comes into it. And again, with ClickFunnels, if you learn from Johnny Bradley's course, it'll be so much easier. It's the first link in my description. I haven't spoke about anyone using this enough. I really, like, it seems like, oh, why are you trying to sell me to buy this course? Because this is literally how I learned. And these modules set his course apart from everyone else. Like, no one else is talking about ClickFunnels or sales funnels or ebooks or product launch the way he does. So then I say about the exclusive offer. So I'm gonna move that up here a bit. So say this is the page, the download button is there, we've got exclusive offer, and it has a picture of actually my suppliers. I asked them to send me like a picture of production. They sent me a picture of my product, which is really awesome. So I've got that, and then again, just like the ebook, I've got copy, I've got headlines, getting people to sign into early access for my product in return for a discount code. So here it will say there'll be another opt-in button that they click on, which takes them to another MailChimp form to fill out their name, fill out their email, tick a checkbox that says they want early access, and then they click another button. And this whole funnel here is kind of the main route people will take. So they'll come from an Instagram or Facebook, they'll go to my website, they'll see about the ebook and they'll click learn more, they'll go to the landing page, they'll learn more about it, they'll click download, they'll opt in on the MailChimp form, then they'll get the download link, they'll see the exclusive offer, they go to the, they'll read the exclusive offer page, they'll click join early access, get my discount code, whatever the CTA is for me, and then then they go to the other MailChimp form for early access. Now this is a really complicated way of, if I use ClickFunnels, what I could do is send people from Instagram and Facebook literally to the landing page, which also has an embedded form in it. So literally, if I use ClickFunnels, I would send it from Instagram to Facebook to the landing page, which would also be the MailChimp opt-in, and then I could do the upsell and they wouldn't have to fill out another form, and it would be so much easier. Anyway, that's what I did. I want to show you kind of the second part of the funnel beyond that main one. So when people get the ebook, so they get the PDF, inside there is a link to the early access page. So I've also got on my website a landing page for early access, just like I did with the ebook. So early access, like a link that will send them to a website landing page, advertising early access. So again, pictures, copy, headlines, and then the button to send them to the MailChimp form. And it will take them from ebook downloaders to early access subscribers, I guess you'll call, people that are actually opting in to get a discount code for when I launch my product. So again, the MailChimp form. I don't know how fast paced this is for you guys. I'm sure you understand it. You're all entrepreneurs or want to be entrepreneurs, so I'm sure you'll understand it. So another way to get people into early access is from the ebook itself when they've read it. What happens when they download the ebook is they will get an email. The email will have their download link, and again, just like with the download page where it had the button and the exclusive offer, they'll get an email with the exact same thing. They'll get an email with the download button and the exclusive offer. So if they don't immediately join early access off the download page, they'll see the email and they'll see the exclusive offer again. What happens after that, if they don't opt in to early access again, they'll get follow-up emails after 2 days giving them some information about my product. So literally no pitch, no nothing, just educating them about my product. 2 days later is when I give them that exclusive offer. So you can see here that from downloading, this whole funnel is getting them onto early access. So I've done that through many ways. So one of them, again, I want to go through this in a simple way. In the ebook, there's a link to the landing page. In the email, there's a link that goes straight to the MailChimp opt-in form. So when they're on the landing page, again, that'll take them to the MailChimp opt-in form. If they don't opt in from the first follow-up email, they'll get another one giving them information about the product. And then 2 days after that is when they'll get the upsell offer again. So I really want to get people onto the early access email list, because not only are they getting a discount code, so when they get early access, they'll be sent to a website which has the code. So literally, as soon as they opt in, they'll be redirected to a website, they'll get the code, and they'll get some information like coming soon, congratulations for joining. And this is what everyone will be funneled into. What I'm going to do is, when I've got the product in Amazon ready to launch, I'll blast an email or loads of emails, like maybe 3 emails one day after one day after one day, just advertising the product, giving people a discount code, and hopefully that leads to sales. So what have I been doing to get the traffic there? Not only have I been using Instagram and my Facebook page, I've also been running ads. I actually started to run an ad yesterday to the ebook landing page, so getting people to opt in for the ebook. And so far, it's not going too well. I don't know how to do Facebook ads too well. However, I've got a few opt-ins, which is really exciting. Like, if they happen to turn into buyers, I've made a huge ROI. So that is the funnel, guys. That is, if you have an ebook that links to your product and you want to use it to get opt-ins for your product launch, That is exactly how you can do it. Just use ClickFunnels, it'll be much easier. If you have Squarespace or another website and you use MailChimp, that is exactly how I did it. So hope you enjoyed, guys. I'll catch you in my next video.